Sophie was excited about the thought of a new adventure. She was going to go to summer camp for the first time this year. She didn't know what to expect, but hoped it was fun. Sophie thought about what it would be like to ride on the bus all the way to camp by herself. It seemed exciting, but also scary. In just a few days, she'd be leaving her mom and dad and driving up to the camp. New counselors, new campers, and a whole week away from home. It can feel pretty scary. Sophie wondered, will I make friends? What if I get lost? What is camp food like? The day finally came when Sophie was leaving for camp. She was starting to feel a little nervous and thought about missing her dog, Sparky. Everyone said summer camp would be amazing. New friends, fun games, and exciting adventures. But for Sophie, there was one big problem. She'd never been away from home before. Sophie said goodbye to her parents and got on the bus. It was a long ride, but finally she was at camp. Sophie felt scared, so she tried to imagine all the fun things her mom said would be at camp. Sophie met one of the camp counselors, Becky, who showed her around and took her to her cabin. Butterflies in her stomach, Sophie let Becky lead the way. Ready or not, Cabin 5 was waiting. The camp counselors gathered a bunch of campers and took them to the archery area. Sophie tried archery for the very first time. She focused carefully, pulled back the bow, and whoosh, her arrow flew toward the target. The counselors showed the campers activities, and Sophie wanted to join in. She found herself having fun. On her first night, Sophie lay awake in her bunk bed. The cabin was dark and quiet, and she felt a little scared. Everything was so new and different from home. The next morning, Sophie stood nervously by the clubhouse, but then something wonderful happened. Other kids came over with big smiles, asking if she wanted to play.
Sophie started to have fun doing different activities. She tried different crafts and went swimming.
Sophie overheard the counselor telling her new friends that they were going to learn how to canoe. She hadn't canoed before, but wanted to try, even though she was a little scared.
Sophie glided across the sparkling lake in her canoe, her paddle dipping smoothly into the water. She couldn't believe how peaceful and beautiful it was out here. That evening, Sophie and her new friends gathered around the campfire, roasting gooey marshmallows and sharing stories under the stars.
Before she knew it, a week of fun activities had gone by and she tried so many new things. She couldn't wait to tell her parents. On Sophie's last night, she lay in her bunk bed. She thought back to when she left for camp, and it felt like forever ago. She had met new friends and was so happy to have learned so many new things.
When camp ended, Sophie waved goodbye to her friends and counselors. She had been so scared at first, but now she couldn't wait to come back next summer. Trying something new can feel scary at first, but sometimes the things we're most nervous about become our greatest adventures. Have you ever been nervous about trying something new? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun stories and adventures. From one teacher to another, and to parents learning at home, thank you so much for watching. If this helped your classroom or your home learning, feel free to subscribe.